Hello again, thanks for joining. I've been to many transport museums in the past, but none of them are quite as unusual as this one we're about to visit. We are in Bremen in northern Germany and we're about to visit Schuppen Eins to check out some fantastic vintage and classic vehicles. Schuppen Eins, or Shed 1, was built in 1959 as a general cargo handling shed for ships that have sailed up the Weser River. It sits alongside the Europahaven Basin and today has been remodeled into the Centre for Automotive Culture and Mobility. It's home to a number of car restoration and sales companies who all focus on vintage and classic vehicles. It's been set out along a central 150 metre long covered boulevard that is free to enter and view the cars and see them being worked on. Also, some of the cars here are actually for sale, and so the collection is constantly changing. And for a memorable visit, you can also hire some of the cars and take them for a drive yourself. So come along with us as we check out Schuppen Eins and the wonderful vehicles on display.